Hello everyone, myself Smaranika I am a student of class 7 from Nur Academy Senior Secondary School, and today I would like to speak on the topic the circulatory system, heart. So do you know what is the circulatory system? The transport system in animals and humans is called the circulatory system. Inside our body there are some canals or tubes from which a liquid passes through, and that liquid is called blood, and the blood flows through tubes or canals called blood vessels. The circulatory system in humans consists of the heart, blood vessels and blood. Now let me tell you about the heart. So our heart acts as a pump and brings circulation of blood throughout our body. The heart has two halves. The upper two chambers are called auricles and the lower chambers are called ventricles. Our heart has four chambers and they are left auricle, right auricle, left ventricle, right ventricle. And now let me tell you about blood vessels. As I have already told you, blood vessels are those tubes or canals from which blood passes through. And there are two parts of blood vessels, arteries and veins. Blood vessels that carry away blood from the heart are called arteries. Arteries have thick elastic walls and they carry oxygenated blood, that means the pure blood. And now let me tell you about veins. So veins are those blood vessels that bring blood towards the heart. Veins have thinner walls than arteries, and veins carry deoxygenated blood, that means impure blood, and there is a connection between the arteries and the veins, and the connection is made through with small blood vessels that are called capillaries. And now let me tell you about the blood. So as I have already told you, a liquid passes through the blood vessels and that liquid is called blood. Blood is very important and there are three parts of blood cells. The liquid part in blood is called the plasma, and I have told you that there are three parts or types of blood cells, and they are, the first one is RBC, or you can say red blood cells, WBC, white blood cells, and platelets. So RBC is the red blood cells, and there is hemoglobin present in the red blood cells, and hemoglobin is a red pigment, and the red blood cells helps to carry oxygen throughout the body. Now let me tell you about WBC or white blood cells. So WBC or white blood cells help to fight against infection, and the last one is platelets. Platelets helps in the clothing of blood. And these were the circulatory parts, or you can say circulatory system, and that was my explanation about the circulatory system. I hope you liked it, and sorry if I have made any mistakes. Thank you.